Welcome. This lecture is on urban ecology and fisheries, studying relations in 3 minutes 30 seconds. First, what is urban ecology exactly? As you can see, there are many definitions, long, short, wordy. But the only one that you really need to know is this. Urban ecology is a biological community where humans represent the keystone species and where the built environment is the dominant element controlling the physical structure of the ecosystem. Or, in short, urban ecology is ecology when humans are the keystone species and the built environment is the dominant controller. Next question. How much of the planet do people really occupy? Well, approximately more than 7.2 billion people exist on this planet at this moment in time, 3 billion of which live in metropolitan areas which use or extract resources from all other regions. And, while use of the planet is still predominantly agricultural, it is becoming increasingly more urbanized, which I guess makes urban ecology kinda important. Alright, question 3. What exactly is considered urban? Urban, according to the Census Bureau, means blocks that have a population density of 1,000 people per square mile, and has surrounding blocks with densities of at least 500 people per square mile. 4. What is the urban wildlife? Well, humans aren't alone here. There can be anything from rabbits to squirrels, yes, even turkeys. 5. Why should we focus on watersheds rather than coastline in the context of coastal waters? Well, first things first. A watershed is an area of land which separates flowing waters. And the reason that it's so important is because of two words: downstream, impact. This slide provides a more thorough explanation for later. 6. What ideas can we implement to battle the adverse effects of the urban water cycle? Well, what you need to know for the final is, we can implement green cities which ensure plants can reach the ground, create less polluted runoff, and focuses a great deal of attention on wetland treatment. Bam, impromptu summary.
Think of the definition of urban ecology in which humans are the keystone species. In global fishery ecology, humans as keystone predator have changed fishery in many ways. Before diving into the details, let's take a moment to quickly go over the terminology. Catch is the number of weight of fish caught. Landing is the number of weight of fish delivered. Directed catch is the intended or target catch species. Bycatch is the unintentional catch species. Discard is the number or weight of fish returned to the sea, which is illegal to do so. We are using more vessels with greater capacity, catching more fish at once, and even destroying the seafloor with the trawls that catch fish at the bottom of the sea. Now larger fish have become difficult to find and the population has greatly decreased because of human activities. We are going down the trophic levels from larger fish to smaller but greater amount of fish. People move on from one type of fish to another type, where most species have below 50% of healthy population. If we continue to lose the seafood species as estimated, maybe one day we'll only have jellyfish on our dinner table. The ocean does not have unlimited resource that humans can take for granted. We need to manage our consumption of fish by making our choice of what we eat.